Alright, y'all, look, I got some good news and some bad news, man. Let's go with the bad news first. The bad news is, man, I feel like I lost my damn gains, bro. I ain't been to the gym in like 4 days, bro. I'm starting to feel like I need to go. You know what I'm saying? You know how you so used to doing something, and then when you stop doing it, you feel like you having withdrawals. You feel me? You need to go. You know what I'm saying? So that's that. But the good news is I feel fucking good now, man. I feel good as fuck. You know what I'm saying? Today I finally feel better. Like tomorrow I will be excellent. I'll be 100%. You know, but I still won't go to the gym until about maybe Wednesday, just to make sure. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, Wednesday. But I'm feeling good though, y'all. I just washed my hair. You know what I'm saying? Just washed it. Washing style actually, because my hair is really long right now. So I got the triple compression on, man, laying them things down. Y'all just saw it in my last video. Good looking out, you guys, for watching the last video. If y'all didn't see it, man, it's in the description box below. Woofing challenge still popping. 15 weeks woof challenge still popping. All right. I'm sure we're going to try to entertain y'all more, so we can, you know, be more fun. You feel me? So if you guys can see that, click the link below to watch that shit right now. Also, make sure you guys like the video right now. Everybody like the video now. All right. With that being said, man, I got some great news for y'all. This right here about to be lit. You feel me? You already saw the video I did on one of the straight hair wavers that I feel like right now that's the best straight hair waver. But this straight hair waver right here is an OG, and this straight hair waver right here, this straight hair waver right here, name is, keep it locked.
I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy.
All right, PB gang, man. So look, the waiver is Sam, man. My guy Sam Blah, man. My guy Sam, man. Everything. Not only that, he got some great waves though. Cause y'all know I've been giving it up for, like, I'm talking about new waivers, old waivers. I don't care. OG. I feel like everybody need a video. You know what I'm saying? Even if you got the cloud already, I don't care. I'm still gonna show love and show you it. You feel me? If I feel like I need to do it, you know. And also, you guys recommendations be cool too. You feel me as well? That pump me up to do that video too. But this one right here, I feel like doing on my own because, you know, not only that, you know, meet friends. You feel me? But he just been killing. He been killing forever, bro. And he's an OG in the wave game, most definitely. Facts. And this is he right here. You feel me? The Sam Blah. This is his Instagram. Make sure you guys go right now to go follow him on Instagram. You can get motivation down the timeline, most definitely. All right, Sam, bro. All right, so look, we gonna go through. Okay, this the one. Remember, y'all know 1K Wavy. You feel me? I told y'all he got this shit killing too. I did a video on this nigga too, man. My guy right here is spinning. He even shouted him out. You feel me? That's how you know he's spinning. OG had to shout him out too. You feel me? All right, so look, this Sam Blah, man. My guy, he got one of the best throws too, man. He got one of the best throws too, bro. He came in the game all gas, no brakes, bro. All gas, no brakes. I remember when he first came in the wave game, I was like, who is this nigga? Who is this nigga? And he just came in the game, you feel me, just savaging niggas, man. Just niggas is starting to hate. You know, it's just, you always gonna have that, man. If you great, they gonna hate, simple. But my guy been killing, man. And y'all see that. You see that swirl right there, man. Definitely one of the best swirls I ever seen, ever. Alright? You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Okay, I think this is how this shit look now. I think he got like a, well, this is old too. This is in May. I don't know how his hair even look right now. Last time I remember though, he had 720s, but I think he had cut the 720s out. Anyways, look at that, bro. I even said something. Kill it. Yep. Yeah, man. Y'all see it? Yeah, it's crazy though. Sam is like, I know he probably mixed with something because it seemed like he probably mixed with Indian or something. I don't know. I never asked my nigga, but he black. You feel me? He talk black and all that. I'm pretty sure he black, but he just mixed with like something else. You know what I'm saying? That's why he was able to get that hair texture like that. Cause this is really straight hair, bro. This is really straight hair, but he still has definition too. It's hard to get definition when you have straight hair. That's why I give it up for straight hair wavers too. You know, everybody have their own. Okay, every hair texture has their own downfall. You know what I'm saying? Like it's hard in every hair texture to get, you know, waves regardless. You know, where if it's in the stage of, you know, getting your waves first, or it's a stage of trying to get them to come, or it's a stage of, you know, once they come, they're already there. It all depends on what stage it is what I'm saying. You know, it all depends on what type of hair texture you have too as well. And this nigga right here, when you have straight hair, of course it takes long to come. Once they're there, and you got to work on definition because your hair is more straighter, so it's hard to get definition. But he know how to do it. Obviously, y'all see it. That's hella definition. So that's what I mean by it all depends on hair texture. And everybody have their own struggle on each hair texture. It doesn't matter. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I think this right here is when he has the 720s, I believe. Let me see. You see that though? This is still the 360s, but you see that though? That shit look like the real ocean, bro. That shit look like the real ocean, bro. The real ocean, my guy. Real talk. You know what I'm saying? Come on, man. Come on, man. Shit. That's sand for your ass. Alright, look. Okay, yeah, this is when you had the 720. That's a velvet, my nigga. Y'all talking about velvet. You know what I'm saying? This is like a JAGRAG without the rag on. You feel me? It's like a JAGRAG without the rag on. Look at that head. Come on, man. That shit look velvet as fuck, bro. You like, hold on. Is this his hair though, or is this a DURAG he has on? Type shit. Big facts, bro. It's my guy Sam, man. Look at that texture, bro. You know what I'm saying? It shows that he can do it all. You feel me? This is 720s right here. You know, y'all just saw the 360. Now this is the 720. You feel me? So he can do it all. You know what I'm saying? It looks like the ocean. You feel me? Should have put a boat on his head too. Nigga, swim, float, nigga. You'll float too. You float too. You feel me? Yeah, with the 720s, he was rocking them shits too, killing them. And it's not even like his crown grows counterclockwise like mine, so it's not the regular 720s that goes the other way. He went with the same way his crown grow, which is counterclockwise. You know, you guys know I have two crowns, but my most dominant crown grows counterclockwise like that. I definitely have gained motivation from him. You feel me? Even though I came out before him, I've been in the game longer than him, all that does not matter. He still motivated me to push. You know what I'm saying? Still to this day, he motivated me to push. You know what I'm saying? I still look at this shit and be like, yeah, it's time to brush. It's time to pull out that brush. Y'all see it though, man. I don't be just this shit. I ain't gonna do it. You gotta be killing for me to do a review on your waves, bro. If your waves is not there yet, don't trip. You'll get there. I be having a lot of people inboxing me like, oh, can you do a review on my... I tell them, you know, you ain't there yet. I'm gonna keep it 100 with you. I ain't gonna lie. Don't take it like that. Take it as motivation. Use it as motivation. Just like when you lose a wave battle, you know, you lose that. Don't take it as, oh, I lost and just be a sad and shit. Don't take it as a negative way. Use it as in a positive perspective to push you to, you know, get your shit right so you can win next time. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Shit. Y'all see it though. It's my guy Sam, bro. Sam Blah. Shit, my niggas. Man. Yeah, this is when he first started getting them. I remember these. This is 2016. He also has a YouTube channel too. You know, he haven't posted nothing new on his YouTube channel. You know, I just went to it the other day. It was a recommendation or whatever. I went to it and I saw if he posted anything new. He hasn't in the years, like 2 years at least. But tips don't ever get old. You know what I'm saying? It's history. You feel me? So if you ever need help or anything with 720 waves, he has 720 tutorials on his channel. Also, he has 360 wave tutorials on his channel. You guys can go to his channel and actually still learn from him. You know, if you have straight hair too as well, that'd be yeah, he gave great tips for every hair texture. But you know, obviously he has straight texture, so you know, y'all can look at the products he uses and shit like that. You have a better chance for your waves to come in if you have straight hair. You feel me? Facts. Facts, facts, facts. You see it. That's nigga Sam. See, this when he at first got him though. You see, they were just coming in. You know, his definition wasn't as strong, you know. It's crazy how you could just see the growth on Instagram. My bad if I ain't all that entertaining right now like that. You know, y'all know I normally be hyping, entertaining this shit and jumping out the chair and all that shit. Nigga, I jump out this chair, I might just trip over this motherfucker. I can't, you know, I feel good, but I'm not all the way 100% yet. You feel me? I don't want to do too much and fuck around and break my neck or some shit trying to get up. You know what I'm saying? Because my body's still weak, bro. That's the only thing about getting sick, too. Like, when I go back to the gym, bro, I'm going to be like, trying to push shit up, like, nigga going to be weak. It's nothing, no, I'll get back fast. Alright, so let's see this. It's a video? Yeah, it's a video. Whoa. Telling y'all, man. Telling y'all, bruh. But yeah. Okay, so this is when he had first came out. Y'all see when he had first came out with the 720s, you know what I'm saying? He forked and shit. You know, forks and shit, you know what I'm saying? Obviously, look. It wasn't looking as good as it looked when I just showed you guys. You feel me? That shows you right there that, you know, you gotta brush to get them how they are now. You know what I'm saying? But before he had that, this is how it shit. This is how it shit used to look. Come on, my guy. Come on, Mike. Do you see? What the fuck is, what is that? What is that, bro? What is that? I want to know, what is that? Are those finger waves or those waves, bro? That shit is ridiculous, bro. This nigga has crazy waves, bro. Facts. Case is dismissed. No, damn though, man. Come on, man. Oh, you gotta do a nigga like that, Sam, man. Look. Oh shit. Why you? Oh shit. You feel me? Like, that's what I'm saying, man. He been doing this shit for a long time. No, it's 2000, bro. It's 2015, my guy. You know what I'm saying? This when he first came, like around the time when he first came out, yeah. And he was killing. Niggas was like, who is this nigga? Who is this guy, bro? Who is this guy? You feel me? You would too. He came out of nowhere like this. No forks, no nothing, flawless, nigga. Every straight hair waver wanted to be like him. And every waver, period, nigga. Damn. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? Am I boosting this nigga, or am I just am I boosting him, or what? Or am I keeping him 100? Nigga, I give credit where credit is due, bro. Simple. Simple, man. He won Wave King 2 as well. Look at this. Look at this shit, bro. Come on, man. When I was battling, bro, it was around the time when he came out too. I always told myself, like, if this, because I never really called niggas out. Niggas always just want to call me out, so I was just battle niggas. But I was like, if this nigga call me out, I'm gonna have a problem, bro. I mean, I can't turn it down, but I'm just saying though, I'm gonna have a problem, bro. So I always stayed on my toes. When he came out, he made me stay on my toes. So good looking out, Sam, because when you came out, you made me stay on my toes, on my brushing, because I could, you know, I don't like to lose, bro. So I had to make sure my shit was on point. You know what I'm saying? I had to make sure because just in case you call me out, yeah, nigga, I'll be ready. Cause man, you know, like, come on, man. I had to be ready, dog. I had to. Nigga, I was glocked up, gauged up, macked up, nigga. You feel me? Yeah. Yep. So that's it for my guy Sam, man. Like I said, you guys go to his Instagram right now, man. Y'all see it right there. Actually, I'll make sure I go to it so you guys can see it clearly. Y'all see it right there. Go to Instagram, follow him. You know, look at his flicks and stuff, man. Or he might start posting. You feel me? You guys can get motivation down your timeline, bro. I'm telling you, he definitely. If this nigga don't motivate you, then I don't know, bro. Also, a lot of straight hair waivers be hitting me up, and I always be telling them, like, go to Sam, or go to 1K Wavy, or you know, go to all these other. It's not a lot of waivers, other waivers too. You know what I'm saying? That's straight hair waivers that's killing. You know, my guy Lewis. You know, Luis, he killing. Yeah, man, it's a lot of straight hair waivers that's killing the game right now, man. Shout out to y'all, man. With that being said, though, I love you guys, and yeah, what you guys want me to do next? Comment below. Y'all want me to react to somebody, celebrity-wise, YouTuber-wise, whatever-wise. What's next? Comment below, man. I love recommendations, man. What y'all want me to do? Who y'all want me to react to next? Huh? If you're great, they gon' hate. Yeah.